Hey everybody, so come with me. I'm going to the salon to make my hair today. So this is me when I already arrived at the salon, and to be honest, it was actually fun because we had like different reasonable conversations, yeah, and we're just talking, gisting, laughing and all that. So it was basically fun, and the hair actually took like 2 hours. We started by 10 minutes past 8 and finished by 10 minutes past 10. So I've been seeing this lady online. Her name is KB Naturals. KB Naturals. I've been seeing her online, and I've always like, her work is really good. She knows how to handle natural hair very well. So I've just been telling myself that I want this particular lady to handle my hair. But this fateful Saturday, I decided that I must go because I needed this lady to handle my hair. So when I went there, I've been chatting with her on WhatsApp. Yeah, we had a long chat on WhatsApp. I booked and I told her I was going to come on Saturday. So this is my first time actually waking up very early on a Saturday morning because I want to make my hair. So the thing is, she told me to come early because she had other customers to attend to. So I had to wake up and leave my house by past 7 just to arrive here before 8. So while we were in the salon, there was a guy that came in and said that he's an OP merchant and he was like sharing cards for 500 naira. Normally it's supposed to be like 2,100. So that's what we're actually discussing. So the guy was like, it's just 500 naira for new users and all that. So one of her stylist decided to like get the card because she has an OP account. So me, I was like, I have an OP account and I already have the card, so I don't want. So the lady also wasn't so sure, so she said she's not interested in all this fintech thing and all that. So the conversation continued and it was a long one. So after the other lady had already done the registration and the card stuff, the man was on a phone call. He was talking to one of his friend. I don't know if it's his friend, but then he said it was his friend. So he was talking to the guy, and the guy told him that there's one thing going on now, that you just pay 18,000. Like you bring 3 people, pay 18,000, and you get 850,000 in 3 days. So the man brought it to us, and when I heard it, the alarm in my head rang. I was like, this guy, I don't trust you. How would you just come up from nowhere and just bring this particular thing up? Just because we bought a card from you doesn't mean that we are desperate for money. So he just brought it up. I was just talking. When he was saying that, I was like, okay, but me, I wasn't really interested because this thing has happened to me before. So I was like, okay, why are you so interested in this particular thing? He was like, he needs money. I told him the love of money is the root of evil. He was like, he does not love money, he just needs the money for some other things, that if we can register and all that he will be able to make the 850k. I was like, Ogami, I'm not doing no. The lady that was making my hair said she wasn't doing. Everybody in the office, we were just looking at ourselves like, don't trust this guy, something is up. So he kept talking, trying to persuade us. Look at him standing at my back. He was trying to persuade us and everything. Everybody was like, we're not interested in this. I was like, this is somebody working hard for money. I'm like, what have you worked hard for right now? So I told her I wanted it to be styled in a certain way. So she was like, no problem, that she could do that. So yeah, this is me excited and happy with my hair. And this is my hair. We just finished the hair. It's time to style. So yeah, she was styling it, and after that I was so happy with my hair because it looked lovely, it looked amazing. So I don't know, but then most people who tell you they can handle natural hair, like I've met a lot of people who said when I show them the style, they're like, they can make it natural hair, they're very good at it. Then they give me nonsense. Not fair. It's not fair. If you can't do something, say you can't do it. Yeah, she styled it. After styling, I made payment. Then she recommended a serum for edge growth. Yeah, so I bought that. I booked my ride and was waiting for my ride to come. And when my ride came, I moved. Yeah, it was really an amazing experience to finally meet the KB Natural, like to finally make my hair at KB Natural, and she made it herself. Thank you guys so much for spending this particular Saturday morning with me.